a century-old company recognizes the influence it has on its profession and the importance of the role it must play for the future. At SOPREMA, it is this conviction that guides all our actions. For over 100 years, we have experienced a lot of change. Now, we are the change. More than ever, our mission is to improve people's well-being by protecting their environment with innovative and sustainable solutions for builders. To do this, we must remain faithful to the values that have always distinguished us: entrepreneurship, innovation and success, being respectful by nature, daring to care, and building a better future. Because everything we do today impacts tomorrow. And it's up to each and every one of us to make that impact a positive one. Because Earth is also our home, we must do everything we can to